Skincare Guide for Teenagers. Collab with Obakiee. In today's video we're going to talk about beginner skincare guide. Due to puberty or hormonal changes our skin may be oily, dry, acne-prone. A good skincare routine can help you to have a good and healthy skin. Starting a skincare plan at teenage will introduce a healthy habit with benefits that will be seen well into the future. Teenage skin is more sensitive than adult skin. You need to have proper products that's suitable for your skin type. Here are some types of skin: dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, normal skin. While choosing the products, make sure to avoid harsh skincare products. Choose non-irritating and non-greasy skincare products according to your skin type. Cleansing is very first step of skincare as it helps to remove excess oil, makeup, sweat, dirt and dead skin cells from our skin. How to cleanse? It's very important to know the proper way of cleansing your face. Start cleansing after making sure to clean your hands. Use lukewarm water in your face. It'll ensure that you don't strip your skin. Then start cleansing in a circular motion. Be gentle. Use foaming cleanser if you have oily, combination or acne-prone skin. Use hydrating cleanser if you have dry skin. And use gel cleansers if you have sensitive skin. Try to cleanse your face 2 times a day. 1x at morning, 1x at night. Toning. Toning is very important step of skincare as it helps to fix an even tone, cleanses the skin, removes any excess oil or dirt, maintains the skin's pH balance and shrink the pores. When adding toner to your daily skincare regimen, make sure to apply it between cleansing and moisturizing. Use a cotton pad to gently spread toner over your face and neck. When choosing your toner, look for gentle, natural ingredients that won't dry your face out. You can also make your own toner. Tone twice a day, morning and night. Moisturizing. Moisturizing every day can reduce the chance of developing extreme dryness or oiliness. A thin, lightweight, water-based gel moisturizer will provide enough hydration for most skin types, but if you're experiencing dry skin or have a skin condition, use oil-based cream. How to moisturize? When applied, moisturizers should make skin feel hydrated but not oily. If you over-apply, gently pat away excess product with a clean, damp washcloth. Apply it in circular motions until they are completely absorbed. Apply a moisturizer within few minutes of drying off after a shower or bath. Washing your face or hands. Exfoliating. Exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week is very beneficial for our skin. Exfoliating makes your skin looks healthier, brighter and more youthful. If you have dry skin, exfoliate only once a week or every other week. If you have oily skin, exfoliate 3 to 4 times a week. How to exfoliate? The easiest and most common way to exfoliate your body is by using a brush, loofah pad, or exfoliating glove. With extra sensitive skin, you can also apply an exfoliating body scrub or make your own using coconut oil mixed with sugar, coffee grounds, or dry oatmeal. Protecting. Protecting is important as it helps prevent sunburn, skin cancer, and premature aging. How to protect your skin? Put on broad-spectrum sunscreen that filters out both UVA and UVB rays and has an SPF of 15 or higher before you go outside. Don't forget to put a thick layer on all exposed skin. Apply sunscreen daily, when it's cloudy outside. Remember, these are only 5 basic skincare. You can add eye care, face sheet, serums in your skincare routine according to your skin. Extra care. Face steam for 1 times a week is also beneficial. For the skin, you can steam your face for 10 minutes a week. Rubbing ice on the face can give a glow to the skin. It also remove irritation and reduce acne and blemishes. Always apply lip balm or Vaseline to our lips before sleeping to prevent from cracking and drying. Be consistent and don't change your products quickly. Wait for the results. Note: if you're 10 or 11 years old, don't use lots of product made of chemical and don't exfoliate a lot.